Hello. Very good morning to everyone and welcome to the Python programming series. My name is Neelu and I'm a PhD student in IIT Jodhpur. So, as for we have discussed about list tuple and in very deep. So now we are going to see the other inbuilt data type in Python, that is set. So, what is set? Set are used to store the multiple item in a single variable, as such as tuple did, as list did. So, and it is also used for the same purpose. Set are used to store the multiple item in a single variable. But the basic difference between that is the set is a collection which is both unordered and unindexed. So here uh, the main difference we can see, for example, in tuple we use the big bracket, and in set we have used sorry, in list we use the big bracket, and tuple we have used a small bracket, but in set we will use the curly braces. Let us see with an example. For example, this is my set, right? So this is my set, and instead of this we have to use the curly braces. And yes, so I am using curly braces here, and now I'm printing that my set. So yes, so this is the way of defining a set and printing the set. So set items is always are unordered, that is unchangeable, and do not allow duplicate values. So as for we have seen in the previous lecture that list and tuple are can use the duplicate values, but regarding this set, so in set you cannot use the duplicate values, right? So okay, so so for example, let's say this duplicate work or not work with an example. Okay, so yeah, so if you have noticed here, have you noticed anything here? So let us notice. Okay, so this there are two times 26 is available in two times, because intentionally and this is uh, 26 is of two time, and what result we have seen that 26 is only present in a single time, right? So this shows that you cannot add duplicate values in a set. So this is a very nice example that both things is happening in a single things, right? And if you want to get the length of it, so you can just use the uh, just you can use print and length function. So len of my set, and you can, if you will print, then it will give the len of this set is 4, because this is not counting this 26, so we can remove that, right? And yes, so the next thing is next thing is the same what we have done in list in tuple, that the data type is similar to the previous thing, like in tuple, let's say, where is that example? Let's okay, so let me copy this. Okay, so here uh, right, so in this similar way, the data types is in tuple and in list, and we have the same thing in set. Set is also containing the string data type. It is also containing uh, the integer data type, and it is also have um, boolean data type. So yeah, so this is the example of it. And what what else the next thing is a set can contain different data. Yeah, so the example we have seen of that this is the date type. For example, if you want to print the type of this thing, and so you'll find that the type of this will give the string because it contains all string, and the type of this is will always be it will print int, for example, because it is integer, and for this it will give the bool. But but in previous, if you find the type of this data type, so is on this is a combine of all combination of all item. So here my set one, let me write this name as my set one, and this, if we want, we can also find the type of this. So let me clear you all these things by using the example. So let us say we are gonna check these type of all three. So I'm removing this. Yes, so here the clear difference you can see. The clear difference is like this is giving that this is a tuple, but why it is a tuple? Wait. Okay, so this is right. So this is tuple. What what I have used? Um, have I made any mistake here? It should also give. Okay. Sorry. So here it is written as this set because we are using this variable set, so that's why it have to be given as set. So now now it's fine. So if your data type may be string, your data type may be integer, your data type may be boolean, and miscellaneous, but the and when we print the type of your the variable that or type of your set, it will give the set, right? So this is the length function to find out the length of it. And there is also as constructor for we have constructor for list tuple. So we also have a constructor of set. So set constructor work in this way, uh, like we have let's say we have this list. Mhm. We have the set, and okay, so this is our set, and we want to use set constructor to make a set. So what we can do for to make this by using the set constructor, then you have to use this function, this method, set method. So this set method, this is another way of creating a set. So instead of using curly braces, you are using a small bracket, but what you are using the set constructor. So now you can print the in this set, my set. So it will return that this set contain these values. So this is not giving age again, just because of it contain unique value. It does not contain the multiple values, right? So this is about the Python set. And if we want to access any if you want to access this set, so we have a method called we can access this by using the for loop. So for example, let's say we have this set, and there is no use of writing this again because set does not contain the duplicate values, so I'm removing that. So for example, I'm writing here for x uh, in my set. Okay, and then we want to print uh, this x, so it will we will access each item using this for loop. So see, this is college name and is, and one more thing, you can say this is not ordered because it is unordered. So because of this, it is not giving the these things in ordered way, it is giving in this unordered way. And if you want to check anything is for anything, for example, you want to check that age is available in this set or not, so you can just do the same thing. You can just write print, and you can check for age, like you want to check for age in this my set. So it will check whether this is uh, present in your set or not. So yes, it is, it will say true. That means yes, it is present in this. So now once the next thing is, and once a set is created, you cannot change this item. But what you can do, you can add a new item to that. And so for just as such, I have said that you can add new item, so we use the um, add method to add that item. For example, let's say I have this set, and I have this set, and I want to add uh, new things to it, so that I can use by using my set and dot add. So we have this constructor, we have this method, and it will here you can add anything. You can add for example, you can add let's say you want to add 26, 27, whatever it is. So um, so let's say you are adding this. Now you can print my set. Fine. So you are printing my set, so you can say this is added 27, although it is unordered set. So order doesn't matter here, right? So you can also add item from another set into the current set by using the update method. So this is your current set, and you want to add another set. You want to add a yes. So what so you want to add item from the another set into the current set. You have this current set, you have a set 2, you have set 2 like like yes, we have 27, 28, 27 already in the set. No, okay, so we have this set. Now we want to add set 2 in some my set, so we can use this my set dot update. So we can use this dot set dot update, and here you can give the what set you want to add in this. So you want to add set 2 here, and just print the in my set. So now you will now you will check the result. This set is added to this added to this previous set, right? So the next thing is after adding this set, you can add any iterable. That means the object in the update method does not have to be a set, it can be any iterable object. So uh, if you want to add a tuple, like you have a list, you have a tuple that you already have in Word. So if you want to add a tuple with this, so you can also add this using the same command. For example, let me take this example, the same example, and okay. So for example, this is let me make this as list. So yes, so I have made it as list, and now you want to update on this with list. So here what you have seen that you get a set of combined set of my set of this first set updated with this tuple. So this is the way that you can add a tuple with set, tuple with uh, list with set. So if you want to remove any set item from your list, from your set, so there is a method, same method as called remove method. So you can remove this. Remove what? So you have to specify that you what you want to remove. So you want to remove 27, you want to remove age, right? So this is your set and you want to remove this age. So you just need to write this remove, and what I have done, yes, this is a string. So yes, so you okay, so now this age is removed from your set, and after removing you can that age you have removed, you also have one more method called discard. So discard also work in the same way that that remove have worked. Instead of this, you can use discard. You can write discard and discard, right? So this method also work the same as remove method work, and it will not give any error. And you can also use the pop method to remove an item. So let's say I have this thing, and I am using the pop method. Pop method is like we used in the stack, we used in push and pop method lot in our stack items. So this pop method will remove an item, and you don't know what item it will remove, because uh, although this is a pop method, so as in a stack that this remove the topmost item. So but the thing is, top item you don't know here, because this is unordered set. So you don't know what will be the your top items, it will remove randomly. So this okay, so this you have to store in some other variable. Let's say I am storing in this x, and then I am printing this. So this is pop pop, you don't have to give any parameter, because pop will remove the top item. So it have removed college. So what item it have removed? It have removed college, right? So this is a way of removing an top item here, random item from here. Then there is one more method called clear method, and this clear method will empty the set. For example, this is your set, and you are, instead of this, you are using clear, right? So this clear method will empty the list, and this is also don't know any parameters, so this will also give the set, blank set, because this set doesn't contain anything. And one more method you also have, that is called delete method. um, so this will delete the set completely, because this empty your, this clear method empty your set, but this delete method clear your um, uh, this set. So this method clear this set, right? So for this you have to use del and keyword, and I and this is not the way of doing that. What was that way of doing that? Let's say you have to use del, and then you have to write what you want to delete, and then you can print this thing. And what is happening, del my set, so my set has been deleted. Now you are printing my set. Hmm. My set is not defined. Mhm. My set is already have defined. Print. Okay, let me change the name. So I'm deleting this set name and doing the, but why it is giving the error? This is giving error, but this should delete this my set permanently, and yes, this is giving error just because the set is now deleted, permanently deleted, and I am trying to print this. So yes, all right. So that was an error because I want to delete this item, and yes, that was the reason, because I am trying to print that is not exist anymore, so it deleted permanently, delete this set permanently, right? So all right, so this is a way of doing that, removing this set. Now next thing is, if you want to use the loop in that, so uh, so you then you can use a loop on it. For example, let's say uh, this is my set, and I want to use for loop to access the item. So I am using x in my set, and then I want to print that my set, sorry, x, so it will give the item of set. And this is a loop, and if I want to join two sets, so the same method we can also use. Let's say I have one set on this, and another set of my set one, and name one is one, this one, right? And now I want to add this join to two set. So let's say I am joining it into set. um, I'm giving this name as set, and now I want to say join. So we have to use the plus operator for this, and my set plus and plus or plus will not work here. We have to use union, right? So we have to use union because we are joining these two set. uh, why we use why we want to use this union, because we have seen that this set will not contain the multiple values. So what union do, union will select the unique values out of the both the set, and then create a new set of unique values. So in this way union work. So my set dot set 2 is my set 1, my set 1. Now it will get the result. So yes, so it have given, let's say I have the same thing. So see, here's the difference. The difference is this unique value is comes under this set, and the duplicate values is written only simply discarded, and it will take into a single values. Okay, so then there is one more method called update method. If you want to update that method, first list with a second list, so you can also use update method. Okay, so this is a way of using the update method. Update one with update, right? So this is another method of doing my set 1. You need to update with my set 2, and now we want to check our my set, because my set has been updated. So this is the same result as above. So both will do the same task. And the next thing is if you want, let's say if we want to keep the duplicate values, then what we can do. So I think there is one method called intersection update, I think. Yes, so there is one method called intersection update. So let me use the method intersection section update. Okay, so and intersection update, and then if I will print this my set, then it should give the duplicate value, that what is the duplicate value available in both. So this intersection update will only give the duplicate value, and that is present in both the items. Let's say you have two duplicate values, so it will give the set of two duplicate values. Yeah, so it has been given the duplicate value as twice. And there is one more method called only intersection. So let me use that intersection only. So let's see what will happen if we use the intersection method only. So if we use intersection method, then we have to take this result as a variable, and then we will print this variable name. So yeah, so intersection method will also give the same result as the common values is available in both the set. So if so this is about like you are uh, printing this set, you are or returning the set that have the duplicate value. But what if you want you don't want this duplicate value, and you want to uh, keep all other values but not duplicates. So there is one more method called symmetry difference update method that will keep only the element that are not present in both set. So for this, that item that is not present in both set, you have to use symmetry difference update. So let us say with an example. This is our first example, and here we can change this name, and so that is called symmetric trick, right? Symmetric difference difference and update. Symmetric difference update, the method is called symmetric difference update. And yes, so this, see the result. It is not giving the common item, but the all other item, and that is name, and name one is different item, so it is returning. So what if we use not use this symmetric difference item, but if you just use symmetric difference, so that should also, yes, so that is a thing that symmetric difference, college name and age. I think I have made some mistake. Okay, let me store this in some variable. Yes. Okay, so yes, so what it is returning, it is returning a set that contains all item for both set except item that is present in both. So age and college is present in both item, and name one is not present in both items, so it is returning the all item from the both set that is not available in both set. Okay, so this is also this is the similar uh, thing, that symmetric difference update work. And so next thing is set method, that we have some method in set also. So there are number of method in set in Python, that is called add method, that we already have seen. So add method will add an item to the set, and clear method we already have seen, that removes all the item from the set. There is a copy method that return a copy of a set. There is a difference method returns a set containing the difference between two or more sets. Mm, that all we have seen, this all methods we have seen. So these method we already have seen, and so it's all about the set. Lot of things we have seen in set, almost everything we have seen in set. Now this is up to you, that how much practice you are doing. If you will do more practice, then you will get more things. So for this video, I think set is covered, and for next video we will cover a dictionary, and that is also a very important uh, collection in Python. So we will discuss about the dictionary. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.